Friends, I will tell you all the error codes for the Samsung top-load washing machine in this video. An error code is shown right now as well on the display of the washing machine. The 4E error code is shown on the Samsung top-load washing machine. The 4E error code is shown on display due to significant major reasons, as well as some minor reasons. First, I will discuss the minor reasons for the 4E error code. Whenever we run any program on the Samsung top-load washing machine, we also set the required water level with it as well. The washing machine system is made in such a way that the water level should work under 3 minutes of the program you selected. If the water is not filled till the selected water level, the water level should be working. If it does not start, the machine, after 3 to 4 minutes, will show this error on display. The possibility is the machine will have a minor fault. The minor fault would not be the fault of the machine. The water pressure flowing inside the machine is low. Check the water inlet valve by opening it. If the water pressure is okay, then it is possible you have not opened the water valve for your washing machine completely. The filters you see on its solenoid valve are also possible in the minor fault. Keep checking whether they are blocked or not. If they are blocked, then open the nut of the tap adapter and see whether it has dirt inside the filter or not. And yes, if it has a lot of dirt inside the filters, clean it, and you will quickly fix the problem. Rather than this, the possibility of the problem could be if your roof tank has no water inside it. Now let's understand the major faults of the 4E error code. The first major reason for the fault could be the detergent dispenser. If you use this washing machine, you will know that the detergent tray is installed here, and we add detergent here. If this area of the washing machine is clogged, and you see a lot of detergent here, then it means the water in your area is hard. Then remove the detergent tray from your washing machine this way, and use your mobile phone camera. Move your camera forward and start recording the video as I am doing. You will see holes on the top of the detergent dispenser box. If this area of the detergent tray has turned white, and holes in the box are not visible to you, then the holes of the water dispenser are clogged, due to which the water is not flowing fast inside the detergent tray. Then you will need to clean the detergent dispenser box. Let me show you how to open the back cover of the detergent dispenser and how to clean it. For cleaning the detergent tray dispenser, go to the back side of the washing machine. One screw is installed here, and the other here. I have removed the cover, but the model I have has a little problem. I will have to open the top cover completely to remove the detergent dispenser. But watch out for which model you own, as some models have 2 solenoid valves, and some model has 1 water inlet solenoid valve. If the machine has only a cold water valve, it would be easier to open this dispenser from the washing machine. The screws on that model are installed on the top of the dispenser. The big reason is that the 4E error code is displayed. Suppose its water inlet valves are not working due to any reason, then this problem can be shown. And for checking the solenoid water inlet valves, you should have a multimeter for this purpose. Install both the probes of the multimeters 1 by 1 on any connection of the valve. The blue valve is for cold water, and the red is for hot water. After this, switch on the machine. See, the machine has turned on. Now see, you can test the hot and cold water solenoid valves. You can use both the hot and cold water valves at the same time as well. And you can use them individually as well. I will use the cold first. After this, I will start the function. The solenoid valve has turned on, and I can feel that it is trying to work. If the water is still not filling, the water inlet valve is mechanically faulty. If we see it electrically, 220 volts are passing through it, which means it is absolutely fine. And if the electricity is not passing, you will have to check its PCB or wire connection. Now I have opened the electronic board and removed the user interface. So what will I do here? First, I will trace the solenoid valve wires and at which connector of the PCB board it is connected. For it, I will see which color wire is passing through the solenoid valves. The cold water solenoid has a yellow and brown wires, and when I see the hot water solenoid connector, it has red and yellow wires. This means the yellow wire is the common line wire. The neutral will be from the brown and red wire, which turns on the PCB board. So let's see where these wires are installed in the PCB board. These wires are not installed in this connector. But if I see this connector, it has the brown and red wire available here. If the machine is taking water continuously and if the machine is not taking water at all, in both cases, I will have to work in this area of the PCB board and change some electronics parts installed on the back side of the PCB. Then error code 4E will be fixed. Now let's suppose the fault is in the PCB of the Samsung washing machine and we want to fix it. We had traced the wires. Through this, We learned we must work in this PCB board area. So now I will cut the PCB board plastic from here so we can fix the PCB board of this Samsung washing machine. First, we will learn how these components are installed in the PCB. Now see, I have made a very simple diagram of the PCB board and the wiring. The line wire here with the yellow wires is commonly connected with the water inlet valves. Now the circuit is completed by passing 220 volts through them. And when we select the program, the microcontroller will turn on the gate of the Triac 1 on the cold water inlet valve. A Darlington is installed in the middle, or any other helping device can be installed. It can be direct as well. The gate will switch on. The Triac works as a switch. The MT1 and the MT2 points will be connected. The neutral will then start crossing, and the circuit will complete here. It will be the same for the hot water valve. The error code 4E will be shown whenever the Triac gets bad, and follow the wires as I showed you, so you can also repair the PCB. Most of the time, when we use the machine, the laundry had been kept inside the machine, but we remember some other work, and we open the door of our Samsung washing machine. See, as soon as we open the door of the washing machine, the error code DE starts to show on the washing machine's display. Now, this error code can be temporary and permanent as well. Now I will close the door of the washing machine. The machine was restored and started working again. So this is a temporary fault. But this error code can also be permanent when the door is still closed, and if the Samsung machine is permanently stopped due to the DE error code. The reason could be this switch. This is a series switch that connects. Through this, the PCB senses the door is closed. It has two terminals. Let me make you understand how it works when we open the washing machine door. See carefully, it has gone downwards. And when I close the door, it has gone upward. Only the connections are connected. This way machine knows the door is closed. Let me show you if this switch gets faulty by opening it up. See, I have opened the screws of the switch. The switch is of this type. When we press its button, it goes upwards. Now let me show you by removing the plastic cover from it. See, it has this switch installed inside it. Only 2 points are connected. This way, the door works. If due to rust, these points are not passing electricity, change it or clean the problem of DE will be solved. The connector attached to the terminals gets rusty. They are rusty right now as well. But they have good electric connectivity. This is also possible if the wire gets burned and or cuts out. Then this error code will be shown. High voltages do not pass through the door lock. Only signals pass through it. Let me give you some bonus information, as I have this problem so I can easily explain you as well. See, these points are getting cracked from here. The screws are tightened here to hold the door switch. If these points get damaged, and if the door switch does not fit properly here, this could also be a big reason for displaying the DE error. This happens the machine is working, and suddenly UE error code is started to show on display. This error code is shown when the washing machine is in spin mode. This is a temporary fault. It is easily repairable. I have already made a video on it. If the washing machine is super balanced but still vibrating, go and watch that video afterward. Let me explain how PCB knows I have to show this error code. Because this error code is also shown through the door lock. We will understand later in the video. First, let me tell you how to restore the washing machine to working condition from this error code. Open the door of the washing machine one time. The DE error will show on display. You have to see whether your clothes are unbalanced or not, and watch that the clothes have gathered on one side of the machine, which shows the error on display repeatedly. Balance the clothes, close the door. The machine will start working, and the error will be finished. Now the thing to understand is that this error code is shown when this door locks does a problem. But how? As it is problem of the door lock. And how through this door lock two functions take place. Let me explain this to you as well. Let me remove it and show you how. See, it has two function. One is on the top of the door, and it is just a series switch. And how will machine knows I will have to give DE error code or UE error code? When the machine is spinning and its drum is rotating in a crooked position, the drum will start hitting with the lever I showed you and make the machine on and off repeatedly. The machine will come to know that this is not a DE error but the UE error code. This is the reason two error codes are shown with one door switch. Now we will understand the OE error code. This can also be temporary or permanent. When the machine starts, take more water than the required level, then this error code is shown. It has a function inside the machine that its drain system starts to work. If this happens, this will make the level of the water according to your selected level, and the function will begin again. But if the problem is that the drain cannot throw the water out of the machine, and keeps taking water, then this permanent error will start showing on the display of the washer. In this situation, you even switch off the machine, and this error code will still show up if the electric plug of the washing machine is installed on the electric board. So you will see water inside your washing machine when this error is shown. Now we will understand why is the washing machine keeps taking water. These two solenoid valves are the device through which the water enters the washing machine. Suppose one of these solenoid valves gets bad mechanically or electronically. You will see inside the water dispenser box water will keep coming. Then treat the valves according to the 4E error code I told you, and then repair them. Then this error code will be gone. It has an automatic system. If the machine overflows and takes more water, then its drain system also needs to be okay. If due to any reason the drain system has got worse, then as well, this error code will keep displaying. Another main reason could be this as well, due to which OE error code is shown. It could be due to the sensor. If it gets stuck inside and moves up than its required level, then it could show you the OE error code on display. The chances are about 30%. The next error code is IE, and this error code is also for the water overflow, so you can say that this error code is the fault of the water flow sensor. In this condition, this machine was functioning but stopped, as its drain system is working. So the main reason could be its water flow sensor, and if these wires get disconnected from the connector, so this error code could be displayed. The IE and OE errors are almost identical, but the main reason will be this water flow sensor. I will also tell you one more fault for IE and OE. See this pipe installed here with the air trap and water flow sensor. If this pipe cuts off, the rats mostly go inside the washing machine and eat it. And this is also the reason the water starts to overflow. The next error code is SE. When this error code is shown, the machine will function normally, and suddenly, this error will show up. You have to open this upper door. You will see a machine full of water with clothes. The water will not be drained from the machine. This means that the washing machine drain system has not worked. The drain system need a fix, and your washing machine will start working again. This is for today's video. I will see you at the next one. Watch our more videos by clicking on the left or right thumbnail on the screen if interested, and subscribe to the channel. It's free. Thank you.